How to make passive income from books. First of all, let me tell you friends, I started my writing journey in the year 2018. The first year, my first book, 80% mindset, 20% skills, it generated about 6 lakh rupees. Second year, it made 5 lakh rupees. Now, if somebody would have asked me this question that, Dave, can I make money from the book? Can I have passive income from the book? A few years ago, I would say, I don't know. I don't know. And especially the people who have never written their first book. I would say, I don't know. But today, I can confidently tell you there is a lot of opportunities out there and you can make a lot of money from the books. And here's the quote that I remember from Warren Buffett. He says that if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. And guess what? I don't want to work because I have to work. I will work because I want to work. The book is one of those mediums which not only makes you passive income, but also leaves your legacy and generates more leads and brings more people into your funnel. How do you make passive income from the book? Here are my tips. Number 1, don't distribute or sell your book on all the platforms like Flipkart, Amazon, your website, in physical stores. No, don't do it. Let me give you an example. Let's say you are looking to chop a tree. And if you're looking to chop a tree, what would you do? And if you just have an X, would you hit few there, few here, few on the top, few on the bottom? Would you try and hit everywhere? You would not. What would you do? You'll pick one spot and you'll keep hitting that spot again and again and again and again until the big tree falls. Same thing. When you distribute your book to all the platforms, what you're doing is you're trying to please everybody. And you try to please everybody, you will not win. Please only one and only one platform. In my case, I chose to please Amazon. Why? Because Amazon has a great reach. In India as well as abroad, you can list your book on Amazon and you can start making money. And the beauty is, when you start building a relationship with Amazon, it's like getting married to Amazon and not flirting with all the platforms. So when you get married to Amazon and you sell your books exclusively on Amazon, what happens? Anybody who finds you on social media, anybody who looks up your videos, anybody who attends your seminars, workshop, or free speeches, everybody will be directed to where? To buy the books on Amazon, not even on your website. Here's what will happen. Yes, your money, the margin will go down versus you selling your book on your own website because you don't have to pay the Amazon fee. But in a long run, you will win substantially. Why? Because when you make more money for the platform like Amazon, Amazon gives you more love. And when Amazon gives you love, you don't have to spend even 1 rupee on the ad. That's exactly what I did. So list your book exclusively on Amazon. That's step number 1. Number 2, get good reviews on Amazon. And the minimum number of reviews that you should be aiming at is 100. When you have crossed 100 reviews for your product, Amazon likes it and say, wow, people are not only buying this book, but also they're reviewing this book and enjoying this book. So what happens then? Your book will be shown to a lot of people. And you know the best part is? The best part is it will show up to your clients everywhere, even if they go to railwayticketbooking.com or anywhere. Once the person has landed on the Amazon uses the cookies to track this person and they keep retargeting them. One of my friends, he got an email saying that, hey, these are the book recommendations, and one of those books was my book. How did that happen? Did I pay money to send the ads and traffic to Amazon? No. I just listed my book on Amazon, and second, I got reviews for Amazon. That's number 2. Number 3 is use your Amazon book link in all your profiles, everywhere. So list that link everywhere, right? So when people click on the link, they reach to the Amazon. Even if they don't buy it, even the cookies gets registered. That's more than enough for Amazon to retarget them until they buy. These are the 3 tips on how you can generate passive income from a book. There are more. There is more to marketing your book and promoting your book and selling your book. I would love to share all those tips with you, but unfortunately we have only limited time in this video. But if you're really serious, I suggest you attend the Passionpreneur Summit 2020 online for 3 days, 17, 18, 19 July 2020. And not only me, I'll share my secrets, but all the other successful people like Dan Locke, Ron Malhotra, Ivan Carmichael, we all will come together. These are the mega multi-millionaire mentors who are going to share their secrets with you. And not only just the books, but everything about the books, how to write the book, how to get the book published, how to distribute the book, how to get reviews, everything will be covered there, along with how to find the passion, what book you should write, what should be the topic of the book, how should the cover be, how the design be, everything. And that's what you need to learn in order for you to make money on Amazon and have passive income coming from the book. All right, there you go. So click the link and I will see you in the summit. Take care.